to the Garba Groove Glam, all presented by Leading Edge, curated by Parul Thakkar, all happening at Bohemian Gallery. One day show only. Timings, details सारी कैप्शन में मेंशन कर दी है. कलेक्शन तो आपको दिख ही रहा है. So what are you waiting for? One day and to check out the collection twice left.
This is brand Solids and they have brought beautiful set options. Very pretty. Colors में आपको जो उन्होंने पहना है wine, you will get that also. Look at that. All are 15 meters घेर.
Very lightweight.
Lovely. They're also very lightweight. Very pretty. Beautiful. This is brand Vinayak Boutique. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
So as you can कॉडी detailing है.
दुपट्टा.
टू टोन शिमर दुपट्टा. अगर आपको ब्राइट कलरफुल में जाना है, दे हैव देखिए समथिंग लाइक दिस. पूरा वेरी प्रिटी. सो दीज आर ऑल ट्रेडिशनल लुकिंग. पिछवाई प्रिंट में है पूरा. प्रिटी. लुक एट दैट. ओम्ब्रे. This is Miraki by Haley and she has brought beautiful collection of Navratri. So let's look at that. These are versatile pieces definitely. Look at the detailing. Ghungru detailing है पूरा. Beautiful. If you want something simple yet something very pretty, you can go for this piece. Look at that. White for all the Safedish people. This is brand Jambori and they are here with their beautiful set options. As you can see, two collection में से जो उन्होंने पहना है beautiful pieces. और भी pieces देख लेते हैं. Yes sir. Okay. Very pretty. दुपट्टा के साथ पूरा with tassels on the दुपट्टा. Very pretty. Violet. And a beautiful piece. Lovely. This is brand Kapatika and look at the two beautiful ladies. So if you're looking for some set options, then definitely reach out to them. Okay, something very different. Lovely. Very pretty. Okay.
Not Banarasi, but the Patola border.
Okay, lovely. This is brand Khushi by Aura and as you can see she's wearing a beautiful set उनके ही collection से. And अब देखते हैं थोड़े और collection. Look at that. People who love white, very graceful color. Wine है, lovely. उसके साथ साथ pastel. Look at that. Very pretty. Okay, something like this in corset blouse. Sleeveless blouse with beautiful kachi bharat work, back detailing. Lovely. Okay. They also have only chaniya option. So अगर आपको वो चाहिए तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा. Beautiful. Look at that. This is brand Rashmi's Boutique and as you can see both the ladies are dressed in the very beautiful outfit. If you want something without dupatta तो તમે આવું jacket look भी carry કરી શકો. And look at that cape style. Lovely. Very pretty. Look at that. The beautiful place. Look at that. This is brand Sitara Silver and as you can see both the pretty ladies are carrying beautiful jewelry. If you're looking for statement pieces तो एमनी पास rings मा, earrings मा, kadas मा, juda मा, something like this in an entire beautiful jewelry. They also have haslis in a different patterns and styles. If you're looking for long, they have long as well. Something different in hasli yet again. Look at that. Very pretty, beautiful pieces. This is brand Status Design and look at the lovely piece that ma'am is wearing for all the Safedish people who are falling in love with beautiful detailing. It's a lovely piece and let's see some more pieces ma'am. Look at that. Beautiful. So if you're looking for traditional, vibrant, colorful pieces, this is the right brand to choose your outfits for. Look at that, pura black for all the black lovers. Very pretty. Hello.
Hello, good morning. From Krupshi, German silver.
So this is entirely a German silver collection. उनके पास लॉन्ग में अगर आपको चोकर्स में चाहिए तो वो है. If you want statement pieces, they have that. हासली में उनके पास बहुत सारा collection है along with beautiful bangles. Look at that. Earrings as well.
These are
These are all ear cuffs.
These are earpins.
This is brand Ritz Fashion Booth and they have something for men as well as for women. So you will get something very beautiful. अगर आपको कुछ twinning करना है तो आप वो भी कर सकते हैं. Before that, let's look at the beautiful pieces that they have. Very pretty. So you can always do contrast. आप थोड़ा सा combination कर सकते हो. They have colors also.
And we customize according to your size.
They customize as well according to your sizes. Lovely. Now let's look at some menswear. Okay. अगर आपको ऐसे कुछ dual colors में जाना है, you can go for that. Something in white. Lovely. Mirror work में अगर जाना है तो वो भी कर सकते हैं. Very pretty. Beautiful. So great collection for men as well as for women both. Lovely. This is brand Rutba and they have brought beautiful unique pieces if you're looking for something different.
All heritage moti work.
Okay,
Then we have this type of blouses
beautiful.
with all lehengas.
Okay,
One more in that collection.
so all boho heritage look.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Fusion wear I have made.
Okay.
And all gaji silk and modal silk fabric.
Lovely,
And this is a corset blouse
very pretty.
or jacket tie.
Lovely. So this is brand Palak's Creation Satellite and they have brought beautiful combination of black and red. Beautiful grey color में भी option है. Black with bandhani पूरा कच्ची भरत work में है. They also have blouse options जिसमें आपको spaghetti, corset, beautiful patch के options. Okay. पूरा मिरर वर्क में है उनके पास. Okay, all right. This is brand Avesh. Hello, ma'am. Yes. Please show us your collection.
So we have our best seller brown chania choli.
Yes.
Everyone likes.
Lovely.
Then in lavender color.
Very pretty. अगर वाइब्रेंट है तो पेस्टल्स एंड सॉफ्ट कलर्स भी हैं उनके पास. Yes. Very pretty. वाइट में उनके पास है. बहुत ही सुंदर ऑप्शन है. Look at that. Beautiful.
Then we have corset blouses.
कॉर्सेट ब्लाउजेस भी है उनके पास. Look at that. Something very trendy, very beautiful with spaghetti, sleeveless, patchwork, कॉर्डी डिटेलिंग आगे फ्रिंज वाला. Something पूरा कॉर्डी में अगर आपको चाहिए तो वो मिल जाएगा. उसके साथ साथ काफ्तान्स भी है उनके पास. So if you want festive, they have that also. पूरा कॉलर नेक डिटेलिंग के साथ. If you want something freestyle, beautiful. This is brand Indonique. They are known for their beautiful sarees, but with that, their ready-made blouses as well. Look at that with beautiful back detailing. Very pretty. Okay. Okay, something in mirror work. Beautiful. All right. Very pretty.
Different color.
We have some home decor items as well.
Roti box.
Yes, and a planter and a water bottle holder as well. Along with that, she has beautiful dress material ke options as well. So this is brand Angan Attire and as you can see, they have carried two very beautiful, very pretty pieces and let's look at some more.
Sure. So we have the pair in the tissue silk because this is very light weight as well. We have given the flare as well.
Okay. So you're going to get that as well. Very pretty. Okay. Beautiful.